Can watercress slow down the aging of our skin? Watercress is a leafy, green, aquatic plant. It's part of the Brassicaceae vegetable family, which also includes cabbage, kale, cauliflower, and broccoli. Watercress is native to Europe and Asia, and is one of the oldest known leaf vegetables consumed by humans. It has small green leaves and edible stems. It's grown in watery beds where the hollow stems of watercress float on water. Watercress boasts a variety of benefits, and can be eaten raw or cooked. It has a distinct piquant peppery flavor, and is full of powerful nutrients. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention places watercress to the top of their Powerhouse Fruits and Vegetables list for its nutrient density. Watercress is packed full of vitamins and minerals. It is particularly rich in vitamin K, and contains significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, riboflavin, calcium and manganese. Watercress is full of antioxidants and phytochemicals which protect our cells against damage and are associated with prevention of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes and cancer. Animal studies have shown that watercress may lower bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Due to its mineral content such as magnesium, calcium and potassium, watercress is beneficial for our bone health and may help lower the risks of hip fractures. The vitamins in watercress increase the productions of white cells that fight infections, boosting our immune system. Watercress also contains antioxidant compounds of the carotenoid family which are proven to be essential for our eye health, especially for lowering risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Because of its high content of minerals and vitamins, watercress is celebrated for its anti-aging properties, increasing the circulation resulting in enhanced oxygenation of the skin. Eating a diet containing watercress may not only help to slow down the aging of our skin, but may actually reverse some of the effect of damage. In one study, 11 female volunteers agreed to add 80 grams of raw watercress to their daily diet for 4 weeks. The results were extremely positive. The majority of women reported increased energy levels, their skin felt smoother, looked plumper, and their wrinkles reduced. Surely that's worth adding watercress to your shopping list. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.